Ayan ay. And 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 down. And and next. Next. Very good. Say hi to your ate. Ate Cristabel. Tanaw ka nga. Hoste. Asa man hoste niya. No. From E. From E asa yung hoste. Which is F to the right. F. What is F to the right? F. Sharp or flat? No, the F sharp. So, E, F sharp. So, F sharp na rin. F sharp. Okay. So, from D, a whole step is E. From E, a whole step is F sharp. From F sharp, asa yung susunod pattern? Susunod pattern. W, W, H, half step from F sharp. Which is, what is that? G, very good. Okay, from G, ilan na bilhin? Ready? From G, whole step. What is that? A. From A, whole step from A. B. Whole step from B. What? Very good. C sharp. Ayun, gidoy. Then C sharp, half step padulong sa C sharp. Half step daw sa C sharp. Which is D. Ano naman tayo dito? So, okay na. From D to D. Okay, play it with your right finger. Follow the fingering. Di ka sa D. Di ka sa D. O G, N. Oh. Oh. Wala F. F sharp din. So. Oh, finger 3 na. Then under 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, sika. Finger 3. Under na yung G. And na, very good. 2, 3, 4. Up, 1, 2, 4. 4 is C sharp daw. D. And D, last. Oh, balik down. Up sa C, sa D. Oh, yun lang ito. C sharp. Down. Over, 3. Go over. Over. Which is, 3 is C sharp, F sharp. And 2 is E. 1 is D. Ayan, follow again. Ready, go. Oh, that's major scale C. Tan, 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 down. G. Up. Number 1 G. Over. Very good. See? That's your D major scale. Pila ka sharp? 2 sharp.